cities.
Good evening, or good afternoon. My name is Marcel Swanepoel and I'm representing Mellowcabs. We manufacture and operate an attractive electric minicab which creates revenue through advertising stream which is on the shell of the vehicle and inside the vehicle on a tablet. Our vehicles are not pedicabs. We are 100% electric cabs. Our new generation flexible solar panel, which is on the top of the vehicle, creates and generates 35% of our cab's power. Our adaptable body shells have been designed to adapt for other applications such as delivery and police vehicles. We have a very effective range with our cab versus our competitors, and we estimate a daily range of around 110 kilometers. We stand apart from all our competitors in the fact that we have the only vehicle that is internationally recognized for its roadworthy status. We are proudly built in South Africa and conform to the highest international standards. And our vehicle is created, or the shell is manufactured from fully recycled PET composites, creating a light and durable and sustainable shell. We are collaborating currently with Hydrogen South Africa to develop a hydrogen cell-fueled Mellow Cab, and we are 1 month away from completing this project. Our regenerative braking system, which is also unique to the cab world, is taking the kinetic energy that is usually wasted, and we replenish it and convert it into electricity and use it for storage in our batteries. Mellow Cabs emit zero direct emissions, providing climate-friendly and low-impact urban transport. Our onboard tablet allows us to integrate digital and brand experience for our passengers. And we also unique that we have an LED illuminated shell that is illuminated from the inside, and thereby enhancing our advertising experience and visibility for passers-by. We also have charging points on board to assist our clients. Because Mellow Cabs are mobile, the ads are working really hard for us. They can be seen by more people that are passing by. Our cabs offer a high-frequency medium, which is very effective for brand building. And the consumers prefer to really engage with Mellow Cabs advertising content as a result of our zero ad avoidance. The percentage of consumers that respond that would pay attention to adverts placed in Mellow Cabs is around 82%. Mellow Cabs is an environmentally friendly method of transport and contributes towards credibility and sustainability for brands. The percentage of consumers that are agreeing that it's a fun way of traveling and that they would share their experience with other friends is 96%. The advertising in Mellow Cabs is placed at eye level, and the consumer literally is face-to-face with your brand, so it's quite effective that way. The onboard tablet adds a huge advantage that you could be looking at integrated digital campaigns whilst traveling in our vehicle. Why people love Mellow Cabs? Well, 80% of urban trips are below 4 kilometers in distance, and this is perfect for our vehicle. Mellow Cabs can provide an on-demand service via our mobile app, and a website or call center can be implemented. Our free smartphone app allows you to book a ride, see your location, locate a Mellow Cab in your area, estimate the time of arrival, as well as pay with your phone on board. Mellow Cabs provides very proficient and efficient first and last mile transportation, connecting commuters with trains, bus stations, and office hotels, as well as conference centers. Mellow Cabs can also be used as a unique tourism vehicle with trained tour guides that actually drive our vehicles. Mellowcabs are also great to be used in campus areas for students, and they can also be covered in rainy days. Good news, we have signed agreements with Uber in place. You all know the biggest thing that's been happening to the transport world lately. And we have signed operating agreements with Derivative, and this is a New York-based autonomous company. We have a Twitter feed from Bill Gates where he mentions us as being a high-tech pedicab. Not exactly correct. We are an electric minicab, so he had it wrong, but at least we managed to get a tweet from Bill Gates. It's great. Forbes magazine has identified Mellowcabs as one of 7 innovative products that you should know about, and CNN called Mellowcabs an amazing idea. Mellowcabs has been chosen as an Accenture top or innovative index top 20 company. We have 8 working prototypes at present, and are in the final pre-production stage of a new model which is launching in September, and this new model will be incorporated with this LED technology which illuminates from the inside out. We have signed letters of interest from transport operators, municipalities, and advertising companies, as well as entrepreneurs from 20 countries, all including India, Malaysia, Brazil, the UK, Italy, Australia, Mexico, and several African countries. Thank you.
Yeah, going abroad, I mean, what is your action plan in terms of positioning? I mean, are you competing with, traditional cabs or, I don't know, car sharing, electrical sharing, and how you position yourself in regulatory business like, I don't know, taxi in Italy as our regulator on a license base and things like that?
We find that we will work hand in hand with most of the current options out there, and really to get a foothold in this first and last mile transportation segment, which is below 4 kilometers.
What's to stop another company from just building the same thing? And then it seems to me it would be about the relationships and like the local markets, so the ability to scale maybe.
Are you talking about the market in Germany, the product in Germany?
Sorry, no, just like in general. I mean, what's to stop some other company in a different market from copying this, which kind of eliminates the opportunity for you then to go into the market?
Well, we are busy patenting, first of all, the shell, which has this illuminated option from the inside out, which is quite unique. And our vehicle is currently the only one that can get the distance that we can with the kind of regenerative braking systems that we have employed.
How much does one of these vehicles cost? I mean, I just want to understand, because apparently it can be a very low-cost advertising opportunity, and if the money that you're making for the advertising is enough to pay for the manufacturer or one of this.
Yes, a vehicle costs in South Africa, it's 6,500 euros. The same similar vehicle, which doesn't have the same capability in Germany, sells for 9,800 euros. So we believe we have definitely got a good plan.
And the revenue model is advertising primarily, or?
Primary advertising on the shell and in the vehicle with a tablet, that's correct.
Have you thought, what are the advertising rates that you think one could, this may be getting ahead of the...
Sorry, repeat that?
Advertising rates, I mean,
how much the rates that would be, we are expecting in and around between 800 and 1,200 euros per vehicle per month.
If I may just add one question, in terms of your international strategy, are you looking for manufacturing partners, distributors, investment? What are you looking for?
We're looking for management capital, basically, operating capital. And we need to build more vehicles physically and scale ourselves into the European market. That's really what we're trying to do.
Great, thank you.
Okay.